Hello there, informed beauties. So today I have a hack for you. On this journey of natural deodorants, I've experienced, many of you guys experience that baking soda burn. Well, I have been testing something out and it works like a charm. And it is something so simple that I kind of figure and wonder why I haven't done it before. I got a comment a couple of days ago from this one lady, and she said Native did this to me. She was replying to my Hey Human video where I showed you guys that it like roasted my underarm. Native did this to me in 3 days of use. I just purchased Hey Human, now I'm nervous. And then I did reply to her, well, wait for it, I have a hack for you. I have something that is going to help. And so here we are. I was putting shea butter all over my body one day. Just, you know, you guys know moisturizing is key. Putting shea butter all over. And I put some under my arms. Now, typically shea butter under the arms is a no-go for me because shea butter is moisturizing. It can be a bit greasy. And that under the arm can be a no-go. Even though it is in a lot of natural deodorants, but I feel like just raw shea butter underneath the arm, it can just be a no-go. Well, that day I happened to put it underneath my arm, and then I said to myself, put on the deodorant, just put deodorant on and let's see what happens. I put it on, no irritation. Raw shea butter, I'm already almost out. As you can see, I'm holding on. And then your natural deodorant. Trust me. We have talked many a times about the benefits of shea butter, how moisturizing it is, how it's a protective barrier for the skin. It works amazing under a natural deodorant. I'm going to tell you guys why I feel like this works. Already in this formula there is shea butter, but I also feel like sometimes these formulas have too much of the baking soda. If you were to lessen the baking soda, a lot of times you guys won't have that irritation. So I feel like applying the shea butter underneath the arm area, just adding a little bit more of a protective layer on the skin, it really does even out the baking soda that is in this, and it also protects your underarm from, you know, too much contact with baking soda. Previously, I have tried coconut oil, but it didn't work as great. Shea butter, and my underarms, they aren't, I don't sweat, I don't feel greasy, I don't feel none of that. It works like a charm. Like I have no smell, no nothing, no burn, no irritation. Works like a charm. A little bit of it goes a long way. So give it a try. A little bit of shea butter underneath the underarms, and then apply your natural deodorant of choice, and trust me, let me know down below. I want to know. Trust me, it worked. Let me know down below in the comment section if you tried this, if it worked for you. I'm so curious. I do have a full playlist as well of like my natural underarm journey, other things that I use for my underarm, essential oils, other deodorants I've tried, reviews, all that. I will leave the playlist above, as well as I have it down below in the description box. Go and check that out. I talked about so many different deodorants and underarm techniques and all that you can really take from if you are on that journey of being more of if you're on that journey of using only natural ingredients and natural products for under your arm. So go and check that out, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.